Yeah, you're going to... Oh, shit.
I said be careful.
Today, I'm going to bring you guys to a different kind of adventure. Today's going to be a lot of stuff that you've seen on my channel before. But today's different because I have my daughter with me. Real quick, if you guys follow my videos, the car is being repaired. They don't expect it to be done till around Christmas or even after Christmas. And she does have a rental car. I will show that rental car, but she, however, does not want me to do that. It's a Nissan. It's a nice rental car. So she's on vacation right now. We figured we'd take her some of the places. And right now we are at Myers Cabin in Muscatatuck National Wildlife Refuge. But we only come up here to see the cabin, show her the cabin, and get some filming of the wildlife. But guys, I think we're a little late. We should have came earlier fall. And from here, we're going over to Crosby Bridge and show her that, and some things over there. But while we're here, we'll show you guys again too. I will leave it down in the description. The cabin, the last time I was here, because today I will not be doing this justice. Myers Cabin, one of the prettiest, most unique cabins I've have filmed up to date. Yes, and like I said, I will leave down in the description of the cabin last time I filmed it. There, I did do it justice. And there's Angie and Kitt. We all need a little walk, see, because we're a pretty good piece from home. And my daughter's headed right down yonder there to see the barn, which we will not be going down there today. So why not? Let's go on in. Is it open?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go on in like we did last time. Okay. Isn't this beautiful, though? I kind of want to talk more about it, but... Oh, gotta lock the door. Oh! I might need 2 hands for this, darn it. I'll be back, guys. Okay, unlocked. It was dark in there. Yeah, if I remember correctly, it is on the side. It doesn't work?
No, I tried it already.
Okay, it's going to be real dark, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film in here, but it's really dark. You know, I think I like it better when they have cabins where you can see. Even though this has plexiglass, but I like it when you can see in there and see what life was like back then. All right, let's head out. Yeah, it says, okay. I gotta remove my glasses. Yeah, you're right about the light. It's kind of burned out.
Yeah, I think it is.
What do you think about this, Kitt? Huh? You remember last time we was here? He's like, oh, just let me on in. Okay, we gotta close it up, Bubby. Come on. Now, I hurt my leg last night, which is, well, my leg hurts. I'll be honest with you. I have, I don't even remember what it's called. So whenever it's wet and cold, my leg hurts and my hip hurts. So today I was like, you know what, Elizabeth, you should come with us. As I want to come out here to Muscatatuck National Wildlife Refuge, which is different from Muscatatuck Park. I was hoping to film some feather friends. Okay, let's get more of the cabin, and we'll wait for my daughter to come up from the barn. She's probably down there taking pictures with her cell phone. You know, it does her some good to get out, you know? If not, she'd be hanging around the dang house. The back porch of this cabin. Now, the last time we was here, there was a whole bunch of people came. Yeah. But wow, isn't that nice, though? Now, they got a lock on that door, obviously. But yeah, a whole bunch of people was down here last time we was here. We got it to ourselves now. So the best time to come down here, folks, will be the off months, yeah. Satellites right up there. I guess that's for the light inside. But however, it's not working. It's because yesterday was cloudy and rainy all day. Hey, Elizabeth, how you doing? Hi. It rained all day yesterday, so that's probably why the light's not working right now. It didn't get enough juice. That's just me guessing. But yeah, this is one of the stops we're going to do. We're going to take off from here, which is on the way home to North Vernon. Yeah, or it might be Vernon. It's right there on the line. We're going to go to Crosby Bridge. I hope nobody's there, but it being a kind of pretty day, there may be people there, believe it or not, fishing. Yeah. But she's never seen the Crosby Bridge, so it's more for my daughter today, folks. I want to take her places that Angie and I been, that we filmed, and just see what she thinks. I told her, I said, now Crosby Fish and Wildlife is similar to here, but it has that, especially where the Crosby Bridge is, it has that creep factor. And my daughter's like me, guys. She likes creepy areas. And not to mention the paranormal claims there, and Crosby Monster, which is Bigfoot. Yeah, maybe today we'll see him. Maybe. I wonder why they don't have no, as far as I know, I wonder why they don't have no reports of Bigfoot here, because this is much larger than Crosby is here in Muscatatuck National Wildlife Refuge. As far as I know, they've been never been any reports here, as far as I know. All right, guys, I'm going to get everybody together, and we're headed down to the bridge, and wish us luck. Keep your fingers crossed. It'll be just us there, too. Keep your fingers crossed. And by the way, I will not be going across the bridge. It is way too dangerous now to do. All right, see you there, guys. We have arrived. One of the things I enjoy is, see, the only people that really get to go out and see the places I go on the adventures is just Angie and I. My kids usually don't do it. So one of the things I like is be able to take them to these places and show them the places that we've been talking about, like Crosby Bridge. You guys remember this place, don't you? This is my favorite place to be here at Crosby Fish and Wildlife area. Now, we should not be walking across this, but we're going to. But we noticed something. Let me show you. Somebody has put things across here. I don't know, Elizabeth, for you to walk across. How about that? By the way, I'm only using one camera today, guys. Oh, jeez, that kind of been in. I want to come up here because last time we was here, Elizabeth, a car tried to drive across this thing. All right, guys, let's get some look-see. Yeah, watch out down below. There's just holes everywhere. See, this is what I mean, guys, right here. It is highly dangerous. But Muscatatuck River, y'all, isn't she beautiful? Okay, we're going to step over. Now, we're going to go over here. I'm going to see if my daughter can spot out the cave that's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be called the Witch Cave. I don't want to turn the camera off, y'all, so it's all going to be in one shot. Now, you guys know the story. If you watched my videos before, Mr. Crosley, which used to own all this property, put this private bridge in just to get across this Muscatatuck River. Because this was all his for hunting. It's slick.
Careful.
Yeah, it's that moss on the ground. Now, it wasn't too far from here. As a matter of fact, right over yonder there, that's where Angie and I heard them kids' voices that we could never figure out where they were coming from. Yeah. I love to know who did this. Who in the world did this, though? That is so cool. Because they must have just did this, because last time we was here was about 4 days before Halloween. And there goes my daughter right on down the holler. All right, coming to the other side. Hey, Elizabeth, right over here somewhere is where that cave's supposed to be. All right, guys, I'll pick her up when we get across the bridge. Now, we're right here at the edge of this, and that witch cave is supposed to be like right over in here somewhere. And we can't get beyond these tree branches, but there's a big opening right there.
Well, hang on. It's not that big.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, today's filming, guys, might be a little bit on the sloppy. Be careful getting up there. It's muddy. Elizabeth, I really appreciate if you wouldn't try it, hon. Please. I know. She dang near broke her darn neck. But yeah, it is all done with one camera. I'm letting you guys see and hear pretty much how my day is right now. set out to bring my daughter on an adventure, and I think she's enjoying it. But Crosby Fish and Wildlife Area is beautiful. Elizabeth, don't try to climb up that, please. You don't need to get up yonder.
But I want to see the cave.
What do you think of it down here?
It's nice.
Isn't it? See, you got the same creepiness I do. I mean, look at this. If this isn't beautiful, yeah, you're going to, holy shit.
I said be careful.
I just said a bad word, guys. Sorry, hang on.
Why did I not warn you that was there?
Oh, I didn't hear you say that was there.
Are you okay?
Oh, there you guys go. I fell.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I told you that was there.
See that hole right there? That's what I fell in.
And I
Stick that
warned
stick
you.
in that hole and see how deep it is.
I warned you that
Look at
was
that.
there.
Let's head back over.
If you listen to the video again, you'll hear me say, careful, there's
Well,
a
that's
hole.
just it. I didn't hear it. Hey, is these lights? No, that's where they had a chain going across this.
Yeah.
Okay. And you know what's funny? I was worried I'm more worried about my camera than me. Yeah, I'm fine. It's just hit my knee a little bit, but I'm fine.
Oh, your pants are all muddy.
Oh, yeah. I got a leaf on my shoe. Okay, now my thing is, let me straighten my camera up. This is so amateur done today, isn't it? She didn't go back and tell Angie what I did, and Angie's going to yell at me.
It's slippery.
Okay, I'm careful. All right, guys.
Be careful, that's weak.
Okay. I'm going to show you all the way through because I ain't going to be able to look at the camera. I'm going to have to look where I'm going. Obviously, because as you see, I'm accident prone. Yeah. I fell down and bit the dust, didn't I? Okay. Wow. Isn't this beautiful, though? Holy smokes. This is so dang beautiful. Let me stop right here in the middle. Yeah, I didn't come up here when I did the ghost hunt that day. I decided to mind the rules then, but unlike today, as you see what I'm doing, I'm not minding the rules, is I? I should be, though. I'm not setting a good example, am I? Well, I don't know. But it blows my mind they actually put stuff down for you to walk over the bad spots. That's new. I know it's not like a recorder now. Some of this, I imagine people, well, wait a minute here. We're going to stop for a second, turn around. That car that tried to get across here got all the way up to this right here. And that's what stopped them, was this right here. This has been up like this for the last 2 years. But this is what stopped them. They got all the way to here. How the heck did they get over that spot right there is beyond me. And then they backed out, which is not an easy thing to do. Let's go on down. There's people down here getting ready to put a boat in, and they're probably listening to everything I'm saying. Angie, be careful. I guess she told you what I did?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine. How far are you going?
Just to here.
Okay, yeah, don't step on that wood because it doesn't look, no, it doesn't look safe enough. But my gosh, look at this. I'm going to step back over again. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my word. I love it up here. Looks like somebody put some logs there unless they fell. More than likely, they probably fell on one of these trees. It landed just perfectly. Ange, please be careful.
Okay, dear.
Now, how Elizabeth and I stepped over this before, we took it wide. There we go. Because the last time I was here, there was nothing for you to walk over. Oh, I don't think that's a good way to walk. Guys, I ain't trying to make this video perfect today, okay? It's about as raw as you can get it. Elizabeth's down there with Kitt, and Kitt's probably like, where'd they go? Oh, the best spot right here, too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get over the wire. Well, today's video is to take you with us, to get my daughter out of the house and take her at least to 2 of the places we usually go a lot. And yes, we're here at Crosby Bridge at Crosby Fish and Wildlife. My favorite place to be. How you doing down there?
We got more people to get off the bridge.
Yeah, I know. We'll be taking off going home soon.
I'm not on the bridge. I'm on the gravel.
Let you guys see behind the scenes. Oh, there's 2 cars coming. Looks like they're gonna be having a party down here. All right, guys, we're gonna call it from here and cut her off. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. It's a lot behind the scenes and it's raw. Hope you enjoyed this type of quality. Every now and then it gives me a break on editing. I still gotta edit this up, but it's easy edit. Gives me a break from time to time, and why not throw something raw in? All right, guys, till next time, thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below and we'll catch you next time. Come on, let's get out of here.